Pulse laser cleaning versus CW laser cleaning. Which one is right for you? When it comes to laser cleaning, choosing the right technology can make or break your project. Whether you're removing rust, paint, oil, or other contaminants. Understanding the difference between pulse laser cleaning machines and continuous wave CW laser cleaning machines is key. Let's dive into the details so you can decide which one suits your needs. What is CW laser cleaning? CW continuous wave laser cleaning machines are suited for large-scale jobs, especially when you need to remove rust from big areas quickly. These machines emit a continuous laser beam, which means the energy is released steadily. This makes CW lasers great for removing material fast, but it comes with a trade-off: heat. Since the energy is constantly being applied, the surface can get extremely hot, up to 400 C. CW lasers are best when you don't need to worry too much about preserving the substrate and just want to get the job done quickly. Why choose pulse laser cleaning? Pulse laser cleaning machines work differently. Instead of a continuous beam, they release energy in short, intense bursts. This allows for much better control over how the laser interacts with the surface. The high-intensity pulses can effectively remove coatings through processes like sublimation, vaporization, and concussive detaching, all without overheating the material. Typically, the surface temperature stays between 40 C to 96 C, which is far safer for delicate substrates. Pulse lasers are perfect for precision work if you need to clean a surface without damaging it, especially if you're preparing it for bonding or other treatments. Pulse laser cleaning is the way to go. Plus, they generate less fumes and smoke, making for a cleaner, safer work environment. How to decide CW versus pulse laser cleaning. So, how do you choose between a CW and a pulse laser cleaning machine? It all boils down to your project needs. Choose CW laser cleaning if you're dealing with large areas of rust or need to remove material quickly, and the surface can handle high heat without warping or damage. Opt for pulse laser cleaning if precision is key, or if you need to protect the underlying material from heat damage while still effectively removing contaminants. Understanding these differences helps you make an informed decision, ensuring you get the best results for your specific application. Whether you're working on a large-scale industrial project or need to maintain the integrity of delicate surfaces, there's a laser cleaning solution that's right for you. Finally, if you really don't know how to choose, please contact us and we will give you the best choice.